everyone, so we're doing something a little different today than my usual YouTube episodes because it is Friday, September 27th. So we are marching in the climate strike that Greta started. So let's see what happens. It's the first time I've ever done a march and I felt very compelled to go and do it. So let's go see all the people.
Here, besides there being tons of people, how many young people were here, and it's pretty cool to see. Change is coming.
I like to say that we have the potential to be the largest voting bloc because we need to actually get to the polls in order to be that.
Together, the climate movement goes from being the climate crisis against the world to the world against the climate crisis. No one should ever have to live their life riddled with constant fear of the climate crisis. Today, we have united together for our own valid reasons. I might be here striking for my future, you might be striking for your grandchild's future. So you know what? Let's stand together and fight for our future together.
Fists in the air, you know the resistance is here. We just wanna live our lives, we don't wanna have no worries. Tell me, can you help me? It don't seem like you've been in a hurry. You playing judge and jury, I feel I'm under siege. Get the matches, burn the stage, chapters overturn the page.
So I'm back from the march, a little tired. It started to rain on us, so I'm a little wet and fighting a cold. I'm a little haggard, but kind of just wanted to talk about like my final thoughts of the march. Like I said at the beginning of the video, one thing that really stood out to me is how many young people were there, which was really, really cool to see because they are the future. And they can make the changes that really need to be made to stop climate change and to reverse the effects that have already happened. There were tons and tons and tons of people there. I think it was recorded that there was about 80,000 people in Vancouver, which is amazing. And I was very, very happy to be a part of it. There were so many upcycled, reused signs from like pizza boxes and furniture boxes and brown paper bags and all of that. And there was no litter and no waste. I just really hope that those people that were out there marching, I hope that they're just not making changes for today. You know, I hope that they really go back to their daily lives and really think about what they were marching for and really make choices in their lives and change their habits every single day to save the planet, like eating less meat or animal products or none at all, going vegan, using less transport, not using any to-go mugs or disposable mugs, and always bringing your grocery bags when you're grocery shopping, and using less packaging, and all of those things that are small things but add up to big changes. So yeah, so my final thoughts are, if all of those 80,000 people that were marching today just in Vancouver made those small changes, I think we would really, really see big changes happening. So there we go. Thank you again for watching another episode with me, Living Free Ashley. Thank you for marching along with me in spirit if you weren't able to actually march. And cheers to living free.